Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Ahmad Syamsul Ibn Ahmad Azamili from Mechatronic. Okay, today our company, the Barbarian Welding, will present about our business. Okay, for my task, I will present about the company background. You guys can see, this is our logo, Barbarian Welding. Okay, nature of business. Our nature of business is production, because we make the welding helmet. Industry profile. The Barbarian Welding Sdn Bhd established on January 2020 and we are located in Bangi, Selangor. Okay, and this is our company phone number and email. Okay, next is why innovation is needed for sustainability. As we all know, nowadays technology are growing faster. So the old welding helmet, we know that the helmet we cannot see directly at the object. So we invent, we innovate it. We can see it live through the camera. We can see, so it can prevent our eyes from the damage. Next is we are moving forward the era IR 4.0. Then the reason we innovate the helmet is to compete with others. Okay, that's all from me. Next, I pass to Muhammad Firdaus. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. To all my viewers, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Ismail. This video is a task that we as a team need to create for explaining about our innovation product that is 3D welding helmet. Okay, for my part, I was given to elaborate about the background of existing welding helmet. For this part, we have 4 points that need to be elaborated. 2 points will be elaborated by myself and another 2 points by my other teammate. So for the first point, as to meet the criteria of this part, I will provide to you the image of existing product, the label, important parts and component of product. Here you can see a picture of existing welding helmet and the label of the important parts. The first one, we have quick lock mounting system, and the second one is visor protection filter lens. So next and other part, quick lock blades, and last is a speedy loop mounting system. Okay, next, the assembly of the eyes protection visor are stated. First, the first point is trimming, retrainer spring, clear lens, frame, filter lens, gasket, outer cover plate, spring retainer, and last is LID. Okay. So for the next part is the component used for this product, that are visor, which is protection filter lens. So you can see the name of the product, and this is a picture of the product. Okay, the first one is visor, second one is quick lock mounting blades, and third speedy loop mounting system, and last is a quick lock mounting system. So the second point is to provide a brief description of this product. As we all know, a welding helmet is a type of headgear that it uses is welding process. Its mainly function to protect the eyes, face and neck from the harm to user such as flame burn. They are necessary to prevent ARC eyes, a painful condition where the cornea is inflamed, and also to prevent retina burns, which can lead a lost vision. Both conditions are caused by unprotected exposure to highly concentrated ultraviolet and infrared rays emitted by welding ARC. Next, the most welding helmets included a window covered with a filter called a lens shade, through which the welder can see to work. In most helmets, the window may be made of tinted glass, tinted plastic, or a variable density filter made from a pair polarized lenses. Okay, that is the end of my part. So I will be giving the other part to my teammate, which is Muhammad Hazim. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum to all of you. My name is Mummazin Yazmi. Today I will talk to you about the point that is given to me, that is to search for the problem that is existing in the products. The first point is poor visibility. There will be a time you just can't see through even you are using welding helmet with best visibility. Usually having an obstructed view of your weld simply means your welding helmet isn't clean enough. So it is happen when you are doing welding, then the dust or dirt stick at your helmet. It is difficult for you to perform welding process when having a poor visibility. There is nothing worse than having clear visibility but not being able to see your weld. In other words, you wish you had just a little bit more width so you can see your weld clear enough. Okay, for the next problem is weld too bright. In this part, mostly people find their helmets too dark. Some will have the opposite problem. Especially common with doing more advanced industrial grade projects, welding helmet can get too bright. It also will make a welder overuse eyes and will become eye strain. Once you physically overuse your eyes, you must stop what you are doing and rest. Okay, for the next point is the reasons why our product need to be innovated. The helmet, these are the reasons why we need to innovate our product. Is the helmet is the process important piece of safety equipment for welder. It shields the eyes from the intense light and the face from the radiation emitted by the spark. A good helmet protects the eyes and skin not only from severe sparks but also from potentially vision damaging ultraviolet. The right helmet must be able to be worn easily and comfortably for a full day's work. Not only is the helmet a source of safety, a welding helmet also gives wearers an opportunity to add a bit of flair to their welding gear. With this in mind, welding helmets today are available in a wide range of colors and graphics. These visual features obviously command attention, but the helmet protective features combined with comfort consideration and what welders should consider when selecting the right helmet for their needs. Okay, that's all from me.
Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. My name is Aizat Sumi Biramli. Today I will present about the type of innovation. Okay, firstly, augmented reality. The SDR 3D web visualization helmet, the objective is to enable a large number of welders and improve their welding quality by greatly enhancing the visibility of the welding scene, including the welding tips, weld and surrounding welding scene using ordinary image sensor rather than special high-cost image sensor. Specifically, the newly developed technique manages shutter speed and the time at which images are captured with microsecond resolution to accurate image to perform a real time. Okay, next, system integration. The helmet accurates and synthesizes images as a stereo camera unit. These images are displayed with minimal delay inside the helmet on a head-mount display as a stereo image. The helmet system runs on variable horsepower battery, so it can be used indefinitely in the environment that have no external power source. The viewer can view the weld bits, the welded item and the working environment. The helmet also include display a recording function of various real-time welding status parameters related to welding temperature, voltage, current. The welder eyes are completely protected from the area because the weld is viewed indirectly through the screen in the helmet.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Muhammad Ruslan. Today I present about product categories. Okay, our product categories is about improvement. 3D web visualization helmet is the improvement from existing product. Purpose to improve the working condition and to certify the weldment quality. A system will develop which replace traditional protection helmet with a video see-through helmet. The welder's working condition can improve by augmenting the visualization information before and during welding. The image will improve and provide a better view of the working area, and online quality assist is available during welding, suggesting the correction of the gun position or pointing out welding errors by analyzing the electrical welding parameters. In addition, an available online documentation of the welding process give an opportunity to reduce the effort of post-process quality assurance, which often use an explicit X-ray inspection. High dynamic range HDRC camera will replace the normal welding visor to produce high variability of viewing. Okay, next for usability. The main purpose of the product is to help the welder operate will be able to weld more reliability due to the ability to view the weld bits, the weld item and the working environment, which are collectively difficult to see using all product. The product also includes display and recording function of various real-time welding status parameters related to welding. This allows the welders to easily collect and check useful information to ensure high quality weld, which is then accelerate the learning curve. Finally, the welder's eyes are completely protected from arc because the weld is viewed indirectly through the screen in the helmet. Lastly, designer team use this content in modeling the product as the guideline modeling through the constraint that need to be looked at.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Muaz. So I will present about the functionality of the product. So firstly is this image have a visor can open and close for view the workpiece before and after the welding process. One layer of the clear visor in the internal part of this helmet. Second is adjustment lock used for adjust the size or height. And third is the design of this helmet very unique and has a hole for air ventilation. And fourth is the camera will record image during the welding process, and this image are displayed with minimal delay inside the helmet on the heat mounted display HMD as stereo image. And this helmet run with battery pack. So next is display that record from the camera will show the status of parameter related to the welding, such as the temperature, voltage and current. So make easily to the welder low collect and check the useful information to ensure the high quality of welding. Next is originality, upgrade to the product. Okay, firstly is the added of the heat mounted display HMD. So image will be shown as stereo image inside the helmet with a minimal delay on heat mounted display HMD. Okay, secondly is add battery pack. The helmet device operate with portable hot swappable battery, and it can use permanently in condition without internal power source. Thirdly is Bluetooth system. Okay, the image from the camera can be viewed at the monitor for analysis and inspection of the welding parameter using the cable or via the wireless.
IR 4.0 technology element adopted in the product. First of all, frame. Marketing perspective. This capture frame with different exposure conditions are image processed by wearable battery-operated GPU to synthesize the frame in real time into one 3D stereo visual stream for visualization within the helmet. The camera acts as to record the specimen during the start welding with the clear view. The dynamic range of the visualized scene using commercial cameras in the SDR welding helmet is expanded up to 150 dB without the need for special image sensor. The second one is battery. Marketing perspective. Battery used for this product was a long lasting. For example, it takes 12 or 24 hours to use this product. The battery is used to initially power the helmet while get the welding arc start. Once the arc is active, the UV light generated by the arc power the solar panel in the welding core, which then the power of the electronic. So, no need to find sunny spot in the order to get the job done.
Okay, lastly, the budget to produce one unit product is 2,000 ringgit. It depends on the current market of the material used. Thank you.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nushafiq bin Abdul Rahman, and today I will continue from Hazim and I will explain about our target market. Okay, what is the target market firstly? Target market is the specific group of people that you want to reach with your marketing message. They are the people who are most likely to buy your products or services, and they are united by some common characteristic like demographic and behaviors. Okay, for our target market, for sure we will target for the companies and the government. And from the companies and government, they will provide the welding helmet to all the workers and the employers. Of course, our welding helmet can be used for the self-employed, for the contractors, and other who is undertakes welding activities. And lastly, including solid steel in every industries. Okay, for the second point is the benefits products can offer to the customer. Okay, firstly for the variety, this welding helmet have variety function provide to the customer with the sensor will make easier customer to detect line welding. And for sure from the previous or the old welding helmet we can see is very common use for the all the welders, because the old welding helmets they don't have any sensor provided for them, so they have to detect the line welding manually. Okay, for second point is the quality, and our product is well worth with the price, design, reliability and innovative function. Okay, third is about the warranty. We could give 5 months to the customer, and any problem you can refer to our company. Okay, then you can custom the design based on the customer. You can see now for the welding helmet, you can see there are a lot of design that they make for the helmet. And lastly, you can get discount in every to purchase. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.